Hey, what's up, friends and family? It's Jared Snyder. Woke up and said I wanted to start my health and fitness journey again. I had taken a month off. Why I took a month off is basically been hunting a lot, so it's just been like working and hunting, because I'll be sitting out in the woods for a while. But I really need to get back to working out and to really get back to taking care of myself. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this program again. It's like my go-to program. I need just to get back into it. Lift 4, because it's 4 days a week. You work out pretty much. It's basically two days, a middle day off, and 2 days after that, and then you get 2 days off. So it just work in my schedule with what I'm doing right now. But anyways, I'll tell you a little bit about the hunting. The hunting's going okay. I've seen deer, but have not gotten anything close enough to harvest yet. So, but I would be taping it, but it's a little bit harder because what I'm doing is hanging and hunting. Basically, I'm going to a spot with my tree stand on my back and my steps on my back, and basically finding a tree, and then just putting my stuff up and hanging right there, or setting up right on that tree the same day, and hunting. So, you know, like you can pick a tree and maybe it's just a little bit farther away, which a couple times have been from where the deer actually go. So, I will update you more as I can. But anyways, I'm getting back to the workout. So I hope that everybody's doing awesome. Thank you for staying with my channel. I know I have not made a video in a while, but I'm gonna try to make some more videos here for you guys. And just to let you know, the family's doing good. We just celebrated some birthdays. My son Asher turned 11. I turned 40. Basically Maggie turned 6. So yeah, it's just crazy. Time is just flying by. But we are all doing good and staying COVID free. Anyways, I hope that you guys are having an amazing October month so far. And like I said, I'll try to make more videos. But anyways, I need to get back at this workout. It's going to be rough because I have not worked out in a few days. I've just been doing, or month or so, I've just been doing steps with my Fitbit. But we got to do this, man. Like, I got to start taking better care of myself. I want to bring you guys all along. But anyways, take care. God bless. I love you guys. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Please, if you have not yet, subscribe to my channel. Actually, YouTube just gave me something too that I can do posts on YouTube. So you guys can check out some of those posts on my community. I think you hit community or something, and I have posts up there. I take a picture and I can put stuff on there. I think it's kind of cool. But anyways, I hope that you guys are doing amazing, and yeah, take care. God bless. Love you guys, and I'll be back with more videos. So just hang in there, and yeah, love you guys. Bye.